Welcome to Emilek Online tutorial. Now let us see how we resolve these indices. Now this is 12 raised to the power of 1 over 3 divided by 81 raised to the power of 1 over 6 times 162 raised to the power of 1 over 3. You can see that this and this is having the same power. Now, and here you have 1 over 6. Let us see how we'll probably make all this the same power. So here we have 12 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Then divided by, converting this to a base of 9, you have raised to the power of 2, 1 over 6 times 162 all raised to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, with this now, from the law of indices that says that x raised to the power of n raised to the power of m is the same thing as saying x raised to the power of what? The product of their power. So implementing that here, you have 12 raised to the power of 1 over 3 divided by 9 raised to the power of 2 times half. Here we have 2 over 6 times 162 all raised to the power of 1 over 3. So 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we are left with 12 all raised to the power of 1 over 3 divided by 9 raised to the power of 1 over 3 times 162 all raised to the power of 3. Now, since we are having the same power, alright, where we have x raised to the power of a, then times y raised to the power of a. Now this also implies that x times y all raised to the power of what? A. If we follow this rule, implement it here, so here we have 12 divided by 9 times 162 all raised to the power of what? 1 over 3. Alright, moving further, we can say this is 12. Now changing this to the reciprocal of the multiplication, here you have 1 over 9 times 162 all raised to the power of 1 over 3. So here we have that 9 here, 1, 9 and 16, this should give us a 1, remainder here, remainder 7. In 72, here we have what? 8. Now 12 times 18 should give us a 216 all raised to the power of what? 1 over 3. And changing this here, this will give us a 6 all raised to the power of 3, 1 over 3. So this will give us 6 raised to the power of, following this rule here, we have 3 over 3, which will now give us what? 6 raised to the power what? 1, because it was 6. Final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.